Good morning, students. Today is the 28th of April, and you are primarily going to be having a workshop today. You're going to be going through your rough drafts that you handed in yesterday, and you're going to be doing some revising and editing. Please make sure that you use the investigative journalism writing checklist. Again, journalists always go through a checklist to make sure they include essential details, multiple perspectives, as well as a really good narrative that connects to people in the article. As I read through some of the rough drafts, I see that you're including a lot of really good statistics, good information. Make sure that you identify the source for that quote before you put the quote in. And make sure that you also don't forget to include good narrative, stories about real people. If you're just listing statistics, people are going to get bored very quickly, and they're going to just not even acknowledge that that's a real person. It becomes real when you talk about real people being impacted by this particular issue. So make sure that you are connecting on that level, on a human level, with real stories of people that are being impacted, along with all the great facts that you're including in the piece. All right, guys, I'll let you get to your workshop today. Please make sure that you confer with a peer if you can today. If not, just continue to revise and edit your piece. And we'll continue to work on this through the day, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good one.